This is a video for how to configure Shuttle Payment Links with Xero. First, open your Shuttle Merchant portal, then select Payment Links and create a multi-use payment link. Name it with the title that you'd like to see at the top of the checkout page. Make sure it's also in the currency of your invoices. Now, copy the link to your clipboard. Next, refer to the documentation to prepare it for use with Xero. Add the required part to the end of the URL. This final URL is what you'll use with Xero. While you're in the merchant portal, go to Settings and make sure you are receiving an email notification of payments. Toggle that on. Go to Xero, navigate to Settings and Online Payments. Select Add a new service and add another online payment option. Choose Custom Payment URL. And then take that URL that you've just created and paste that in your custom URL. Give this connection an account name that you can use internally and what you'd like to have appear on the payment button. You can either make this available on all invoices by choosing Connected Services, manage themes and selecting it as the option for your standard theme, or you can make it available on a one-by-one basis. When you create an invoice, you'll see the theme here. As you can see, my standard theme, I have the Shuttle Payment Links where you can change what payment options are available. Using this Manage button, you can view the customer experience when they see their invoice. They'll have a choice to pay online, which will link through to your custom payment link. There, they can identify themselves and pay their invoice. Returning customers will be allowed to save their payment options for a speedy checkout next time they pay an invoice. Upon successful payment, I receive an email. As you can see here, it says the amount I was paid and the invoice it was for. That's Shuttle Payment Links for Xero, triggered by a Xero invoice with the correct amount, reference, and customer details.